Construction season. There's construction going on in the neighborhood. They're doing construction. You can hear the machines. Construction season is on their way. Bilbo is doing road construction in the neighborhood. They're repaving the road. The steamroller's out. Construction. You can hear the machines. Construction. Bilbo's doing construction. Road construction. It's springtime. Spring construction. Road construction in the neighborhood. They're refixing the road over there. Jay, Bilbo, and Chris refixing the road. Road construction. Road. You can hear them doing that. The steamroller's rolling. Road construction. Road construction.